Cidesco therapists to us represent a standard where we can start and where we can work from in terms of bringing them into our business and creating a culture that only Steiner decides to create with our staff. Cidesco gives us the security and a platform to build upon, which is certainly an international standard that we're grateful for.
I'm very careful and particular about selecting staff for my spas. I try to select those who are Cidesco graduates. Why? Because I am a Cidesco graduate. I know the theory and practical training they have to go through in order to sit for all the exams. The exams are conducted by Cidesco International examiner under stringent conditions. Cidesco graduates have the skills and knowledge to serve clients with the highest professional standards.
I work very well with Cidesco diploma holders because they have a very good education and it's a good team. You know that the people have had in your education all this problem what we have with the patient here, and so it's very positive for us to have a team who knows much.
It's very well known, it's an established brand, having been around for over 60 years. So it has the calibre and the expertise and of course the prestigiousness, which are all very, very important. So for instance, if I was picking up CVs to look at staff, as soon as I see Cidesco on a CV, I will put them as the highest priority because I know that their level of education is going to be the acceptance that we need.
When I'm looking to interview or recruit staff for my spas and I'm presented with a Cidesco graduate, I already know that that student has good ethics, good training, and they are employable. Today I have over more than 250 staff, and I thank Cidesco for that support and that prestige which has held me in good stead through my career.
I think what we're seeing is that the growth in the resort arena globally, especially at the high end and the luxury end, is a really great fit for a Cidesco graduate because those are the people, the consumers, that come to very luxurious high-end resort spas. They expect the best.
Our equipment success is reliant upon good operators, and I'm confident that a Cidesco graduate has the skill level to ensure the success of our equipment. We love working with Cidesco.
When we recruit for therapists, we tend to find the most professional therapists, especially for New York, for Asia, for Tokyo, and around the world, because Cidesco graduates are able to offer the in-depth understanding of the anatomy and physiology. Beyond that, they also have excellent training in terms of customer service and customer care.
My job at RMIT involves me travelling around the world and developing curriculums, and I'm always so impressed when I look at Cidesco and see the high level of international curriculum they've created, which gives their graduates a global passport to work wherever they want to in the world.